You know the saying, out with the old, in with the new? Well, I'll be happy to say, in with the new. So, today, I'm going to be reviewing the Echo1 TAP. TAP for a tactical assault pistol, so, pretty cool. There's a lot to go over. There's a lot to go over, so this might be a long video. Let's start off with the mag. So, this mag, I don't know if it's compatible with any other high capos, so I'm just gonna say it's not, but it might be. I don't know. So, back to it. Once you get the gun, this part will be a little bit wobbly. That doesn't affect it at all. It's just sort of there. And it's a thick boy too. It's heavier than the gun. It's heavier than the gun. And unlike the Wolf's Bane, unlike the Wolf's Bane, you can actually put it in the top and the front instead of just the front. But it's a little annoying, so I just pull this down, and then there's a wider part down here, like right there. That part's wider, so I usually just sort of pull it down, pour my BBs in. Oh yeah, speaking of BBs, you will need green gas. This is a green gas operated gun, as you can see. So, like, you see the middle, you're just gonna wanna stick this part in. Then hold down for like 6 or 7 seconds, however long you want. Yeah. It smells pretty good. Just don't huff it, because that's stupid. But once you got 6 or 7 seconds, and I didn't do that long, it should be full. Then I'll just demonstrate what this button does. Okay, like I said in other videos, do not point it near you. Only press it far away, like this. Yeah, it fires green gas. A lot of it. Sorry, that's this piece of grass. Get that out of there. And the BBs. I actually have my phone standing up on that, so I'm gonna have to. I only grabbed one, then I'll just pull this down, pop one in the front, there. Like I said, the Wolf's Bane mag broke, so that's why I got this one. By the way, last video, I was in my house. Now I'm back in the glorious place we call Michigan. And, this, right after I film this review, I'm gonna, well, they're gonna be in the same video. I'm just gonna shoot this, because it's gonna be in the same video. I have a TV box right there, so that I'm gonna shoot at. I'm gonna put that back there. And to the gun now. Sorry, I thought someone just called my name. It is a competition pistol, which means it's heavy. So, you want it to be heavy, so it absorbs all that recoil, because you don't want every time you want to shoot, because if you're shooting at a target, you're not going to want all that recoil getting you off track, so it's only going to boop, 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 boop. And moving, how you put the mag in, you just stick it in, jam it, so it doesn't come out. you just do that, as always, with every airsoft gun. And there will be a button right here. That'll spin, but just sort of tighten it. And you gotta press that, and then the mag falls right out. So, that's that. Moving on to the beaver tail. This, you have to press this down. See, look, I can't pull the trigger, but if I press it down, sorry, golf carts. So now you can pull it down. It is a real fiber It is a real fiber. I don't know if I could get you to see. Don't worry, I'm covering the barrel up with my thumb. So that's how it looks. Pretty good. It has a nice compensator on here, which pull the slide back. Still stays on. Oh yeah, and there is a little bit of white here since I had to super glue the sight on. Because when I got it, it was a little like loose. So when I did this while the slide was, open, it would just pop right out. So I had to. Oh yeah. Moving on to the slider release. This button right here, you press it down, then the slide goes forward. So then this hammer, you know what to do, goes right back up. Safety. The safety is very good. It doesn't go up while the slide's forward and the hammer is up. You have to do that. Now it goes up and down. Honestly, when you do it, you can't fire. It's pretty good because I have. Hold on, let me just demonstrate. Well then, that hurt. Make sure not to get it on your skin because it just irritates it. Now my skin's cold. I shouldn't have wore shorts for this. So, ow. Make sure not to put your finger here when you're putting the mag in because this will just snap and then ow. So now, mind you, I have the safety up and the beaver tail pulled down, so I can't. Safety down. This. What else can we go over? Oh yeah, this. It's basically the same as every single 1911. This one just looks a bit different. So, you don't pull the slide back and then press the button. You simply just press the button. You'll have to sort of figure out how to. I need a stick. Oh, there we go. Stick. Push it in. Oh, I got my finger caught in it. Yeah, then the slide will just roll off, kind of like like it just did there. Hold on. I mean, if you're stupid and you live in America, you could. Sorry. You can sort of take the orange tip off with a pair of pliers. I'm not going to do that because I'm not an idiot. And I don't want to get arrested or shot. So then I'll just slide it off gently. Then I don't want to really mess it up, so I'm not going to take anything out. I'm just going to take the slide off today. I hate when I drop this thing. I'll clean it. There. Now, oh, this bothers me so much. Then you're gonna wanna put this back in the hole. Press down. Just keep pressing down until it clicks. Pull slide back and forward. Do it a few times. There. And it's basically everything we really need to go over. So I got the box right there. It's got some targets on it. Set that back up there. And now I'm gonna shoot it. Hopefully y'all can see. There we go. I'll load up about 3 more shots in. One, 2, 3. Boom. 3 shots in there. One, 2, 3. Then you can just hold down the slide release and dry fire. It's loud. I don't recommend doing it because that just scratches up your gun. It's stupid. But that concludes the review for the Echo1 TAP Tactical Assault Pistol. So I will see y'all in the next video.